Bonjour, comment allez-vous? In this video, just one word, the word some, but how to say it in French, it's what we are going to see right now. Some actually may be followed with uncountable word, and it's a translation in French. Another one is with, of course, countable word, another translation, and we are going to see when some is the subject of your sentence and expresses a comparison. So let's start with the first part. Uncountable words. What do we mean? Well, in this sentence, I would like some tea. We understand that tea is an uncountable word, as you can't say 2 teas, 3 teas in this case. If you say 2 teas, of course, the meaning is different. It is 2 cups of tea. So here we understand that this is an uncountable word. You want some tea, and as a proof, it is singular. How to translate some in this case in French? Well, it will be a form of de. It can be du if the following word is masculine, de la if it's feminine, and de l'apostrophe if the word starts with a vowel. Okay? T in French is té. Té is masculine, so we are going to use du to translate some. Je voudrais du thé is the translation of I would like some tea. So here you understand that with uncountable words, we are going to use du, de la, or de l'apostrophe. And remember that in this case, the word is singular. More examples. Je voudrais de l'eau. It starts here with a vowel, so je voudrais de l'eau, some water. Je voudrais du riz. Riz, rice is masculine. Elle achète du riz. She buys some rice. Elle mange de la soupe. Here, soup is feminine in French, so de la to translate some. Okay? Uncountable words, it's the way we speak. Let's see this example. When some is a part of something, like in this example, the translation is, or the expression is some of. Put some of the water in the flour. How to translate some of? In French, we are going to say un peu de. Mets un peu d'eau dans la farine. It's not some water, it's some of the water. Mets un peu d'eau dans la farine. Let's see now the second part with countable words. Countable words, in this case, I can see some birds. In this case, birds is plural. And here you can say, of course, 2 birds, 3 birds, 4 birds, as you want. How to translate some here? Well, we are going to use the plural form of de, which is des. So, I can see some birds. Je peux voir des oiseaux. Je peux voir des oiseaux. More example. Je voudrais des tomates. I would like some tomatoes. Tomate, again, is a countable word. So, we use des. Je voudrais des tomates. Let's see now. Can we translate that? I would like some. In the context, it's clear that we are speaking about tomatoes. So you say, I would like some, or I would like some of them. In French, we are going to translate I would like some with the expression j'en voudrais. Actually, en, the pronoun en here, is for them. So if you want to translate some now, we are going to add the expression quelques-uns. J'en voudrais quelques-unes. I would like some. So it's interesting to see that in the first sentence, j'en voudrais, some is not displayed here, does not appear here, but it's the way we translate it. We need the pronoun en. J'en voudrais or j'en voudrais quelques-unes. And here we use une because tomate is feminine in French. With masculine example, il prend des crayons. Crayon pens is masculine. He takes some, or he takes some of them. Well, il en prend, so it's the same construction, il en prend, or il en prend quelques-uns, here, un, because crayon is masculine. Okay? So here we translate some using the expression quelques-uns, quelques-unes, after using des. Let's see, at the point of this video, some expressions. How do you translate have some? Of course, in the context is clear. You are going to speak about have some. Well, in French we say prends-en. Prends-en if you know the person. And In the formal way or plural way, it is prenez-en. Prenez-en. Don't forget the liaison. Prends-en, prenez-en, have some. But now you want to say have some more. You are eating, vous êtes en train de manger, and your plate is empty, et votre assiette est vide. So someone says, donc quelqu'un dit, have some more. How to translate that? Well, in French it is reprends-en. Reprends-en, again if you know the person, or reprenez-en. So the verb is reprendre. To have more, to have some more, reprends-en, reprenez-en. And here again, we need the pronoun en. Give me some, please. Give me some. Donne-moi, donne-moi, or donnez-moi. Donnez-moi, s'il vous plaît. Have you got some? Well, it's clear you are speaking about pens, about crayons. And you say, have you got some? Well, in French, en as-tu? If you know the person. Or if you are in a shop, you can say, en avez-vous? Des crayons. En avez-vous? Or vous en avez? And the person can say, I still have got some. And you can say in French, j'en ai encore. Or j'en ai encore quelques-uns. Crayon, masculine. J'en ai encore quelques-uns. So this is the conversation here. Des crayons, s'il vous plaît. En avez-vous? Oui, j'en ai encore quelques-uns. Vous en voulez combien? How many do you want? Okay? So we can make a conversation in a shop with this expression. Let's see the last part, the third part, speaking about comparison here, when some is the subject of your sentence. When you say, for example, here some children do not like beans. Well, it's like a comparison because, of course, others do. So how to translate some in this case? We use certains. Certains enfants n'aiment pas les haricots. And certains is the masculine form because enfant is masculine. Certains enfants n'aiment pas les haricots. If you want to say people now, people is personne. Personne is feminine in French, so some people do not like beans. Certaines personnes n'aiment pas les haricots. And in this case, it is certaines, the feminine form. So here, to translate some, we use certain or certaines. Let's see more examples using certain. How to translate some of the products or damage. Some of the products or damage. So we can say, certains des produits sont abîmés. Certains des produits sont abîmés. Des is the translation of the here. Some of these books are old. How to translate these here? Certains de ces livres sont vieux. Because say is the plural, we don't need to repeat two plural, so we say de. Certains de ces livres sont vieux. Well, I hope now you know how to translate some in French. For us, c'est fini. Merci beaucoup d'avoir suivi cette vidéo. J'espère que vous avez tout compris. Please, s'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne sur YouTube. À bientôt, au revoir et bon français!